on this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own homemade gasket, because I had my faucet here, which for some reason when I turn on my shower, water is kicking back this way and going into my wall on the other side. Show you guys how to make a gasket for this job or other jobs, and just to show you guys that this product is available. I don't know that this product is available. I picked it up at Menards. It's like a piece of $5 for this. It's called Danko Gasket Rubber, 6x6x16. Usually in a plumbing aisle, they give you 2 sheets. All right. The reason I'm making a gasket because for some reason water is squirting back out of this pipe and going back into my wall. So I'm making a homemade gasket. I took what I did is laid this over it like that, and I got a cutting board here. I took a box cutter and pushed my hand down here, and I cut all the way around. That gave me this right here. And then I have a wood circle drilling drill bit, and I put the piece onto my drill here, and I went and measured it, and I think it's 5/8 or 1/2, either one. I put it right up against my pipe. It's a perfect fit, because whoever cut out and made my home, and the copper pipe is coming out of the wall, got a giant hole, it's almost that big. So the water is actually backsplashing in there. This should block it. Once it's blocked in here, the water will end up in this area here and squirt out at the bottom where I want it to go and stay in the tub and not behind my wall. So if you're using this to make some type of other gasket or something, this video is just to let you know that there is a product out there, because if you go to the hardware store, and I tried to ask for a gasket here, and the guy's like, well, they just don't make one. He wanted to send me on my way, and I actually seen this product here, so I'm making a video to let you know that there is a product out there. So now I'm going to cut the, I think it's 3/8 or 1/2 inch. I found the center of this, and I'm just going real slow. I'm going to cut into it. I got one hand, so I can't do it on the video, but I'm going to cut it and show you what it looks like. Perfect cut there. This is going to go on the inside and lay over my copper pipe. My giant hole. For some reason, I don't know why the water is backsplashing, and I even bought a new faucet and put it on, and it's still black splash. I don't know where it's coming from or why it's leaking. It's odd to me, but anyways, I'm going to deal with the problem. And make sure if you guys are doing this and you're going to use like silicone on the back end, make sure that you sand your copper pipe so the silicone actually glues to it. And make sure that you find something that's used for like gutters, roofing. This is silicone that it adheres to wet surfaces and won't give you an issue, being that it's going to be getting wet. So put silicone on the back end and put this on. I got one hand, so I can't really do it. A lot of silicone there, and we are going to place it over the pipe. Push it on. And that should be good.